Welcome to the latest development update for the Acuity fully decentralized atomic swap exchange. And what I can show you today is that it is now possible to complete an exchange selling Acuity for Ethereum. So let me run you through that. Okay, so we have the web app running in front of us, and we have both the Polkadot browser extension and the Metamask browser extension. So the Metamask browser extension that is used to control the Ethereum accounts, and we use the Polkadot browser extension to control our Acuity accounts. And we can see in each extension we have two accounts. So there are two participants in this trade. We have Alice and we have Bob. So Alice is going to sell her Acuity for some Ethereum, and Bob is going to pay that Ethereum and receive the Acuity. So there's an interesting distinction between how these browser extensions work, because with the Polkadot browser extension, both of the accounts are actually provided to the web app. So we can see if I'm selecting the account to sell the Acuity from, I can select either Alice or Bob. And if I hide Alice, then I can only select Bob, and vice versa. So we're going to sell Alice's Acuity, and we will say how much she wishes to sell. So I'll just put in 50 Acuity. And then for Alice's buy account, so this is the address where Alice will receive the Ethereum that is used to pay for her Acuity. We can see that we can't select the address here because it's actually provided by the extension. So if I were to switch to Bob, we can see that the buy account changes, but we are going to stick with Alice. So we have now selected both Alice's Acuity account and her Ethereum account. And we will specify the price that she wishes to sell her Acuity for. So this is denominated in Ethereum. Okay, so we create our sell order. So this is a transaction on our Acuity testnet. And we have a block time of 6 seconds, so it can take up to 6 seconds for that transaction to confirm. So we can now see that we have a sell order by Alice. So let's go into that sell order. And of course, the next step is that we want Bob to purchase some of this Acuity in this sell order. So we can see here we have the price of the sell order, how much Acuity is in the sell order, and who is selling the Acuity. The ETH buy account. So this is going to be Bob's Ethereum account that he uses to pay for the Acuity. So we need to just set that to Bob, and we can see it updates to Bob's Ethereum address. And then we also need to specify Bob's Acuity account, where he will ultimately receive the Acuity. And then we specify how much Acuity Bob wishes to buy. So let's specify 10 Acuity. And we get our Metamask confirmation window. So of course, 10 times 0.008 is 0.08 Acuity, and there's also the transaction fee. And on our testnet for Ethereum, this gets confirmed immediately. So we can see that Bob, the buyer, he has locked up his Ethereum, and Alice, the seller, she needs to lock up her 10 Acuity. So currently we still have 50 Acuity in the Acuity sell order, and Alice needs to transfer 10 of this Acuity into a lock specifically for Bob. And we can see if I hide Alice, then the lock button will disappear. So Alice's account needs to be available in order for her to lock up her 10 Acuity. So we perform that transaction. We just wait for it to confirm, and we can see that now that Acuity has been locked up, and now the total for the sell order is now 40. So we're currently in the situation where Bob has locked up his Ethereum, Alice has locked up her Acuity, and the secret to unlock both of these locks is actually only known by Bob. So the next step is that we need to unlock this sell lock, and Bob will do that. So we can see if we hide Bob, the unlock button disappears. So when I unlock this sell lock, this will be Bob publishing the secret. Okay, so we're going to broadcast that transaction, and that has now been unlocked. So if we actually look at the Polkadot browser software, we can see that we get events for all of these transactions on the Acuity blockchain. So most recently, we have unlocked that sell order, and we can see that the 10 Acuity has been transferred to Bob. And now it is the opportunity for Alice to claim her Ethereum now that the secret is known publicly. So we have to switch MetaMask back to Alice. And we can see that she currently has 1 Ethereum. So she's going to pay for this transaction to unlock the buy lock, and then she will receive the 0.08 Ethereum. Okay, so that has been unlocked, and we can see that Alice has now received the Ethereum. So this shows how the trade, the exchange can be completed. And the next step is to actually just implement everything in reverse so that it's possible to create Acuity sell orders that can be used for buying. You want to create Ethereum sell orders where Acuity can be used to buy Ethereum. So thank you all very much, and I'll have another update very soon.